Okay, so now let's look at page 206, question 2. Madam Rosna used 200 cm of green ribbon as decorations for a party. She also used a roll of red ribbon that is 6 times as long as the green ribbon used. What was the total length of ribbon she used? So let's highlight the keyword to help us understand first. So we know that there are 2 types of ribbon. One is the green ribbon and the other is the, I hear you, red ribbon. Okay, so do we know the length of the green ribbon? We do. It is 200 cm. Okay, do we know the length of the red ribbon? We do not know yet, but we know it is 6 times as long as the green ribbon. So this question, what do we need to find out? We need to find the total length of ribbon she used. So what is the first step? So we need to find the total length, right, of green and red. But we know the green, we don't know the red. However, with this information, we can use model to help us. Remember, 6 times, 3 times, 4 times. What do? We draw model, right, to help us understand. So red ribbon is longer, okay, by how many times? Longer by 6 times. So let's draw model. So ribbon has 6 times, so how many boxes do we draw? 6 boxes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's uneven for Mrs. Chai because I'm using the mouse to draw. You are required to use a ruler to draw neatly. Okay, next, what do we draw for the green ribbon? If you say 1 box, you are absolutely correct. Okay, so now let's fill in what we know. What are the information we can draw out? Okay, so we draw 6 times already. So what other information can we put in? Right, the 200 cm, right? Which is not in here. So we're going to put in 200 cm for the green. So step number 1, we need to find the length of the red ribbon. Now if, okay, let's use a brighter color so you can see. If each box is 200, how do I find 6 of it? 6 times, right? So obviously is 6 times 200 or 200 times 6. Both ways are fine. Okay, so we need to find the red ribbon. Now those of you who did not draw the model, please draw in your model. Okay, please draw in the model neatly. So we have our workings here. So 200 times 6. Okay. So 0 times 6 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. I hope you still remember. What is 6 times 2? 12. Well done. So the red ribbon is 1200 cm. So now I want you to indicate red here. Alright, we indicate red here so that you know what you are finding in step 1. So now we know red, we have green. How do we find the total length? Total, right? So we add. Okay, so 1200 plus the ribbon, and you should get the total. Okay, children, before you type in your answer in the blank below, Mrs. Chai is going to be a little bit more naggy. Make sure you draw a line for your statement, all statements, all workings. Your model should be drawn in, okay, neatly. Alright, now you may key in your answer in the blank below to find your final answer.